What's good, Gromies? Welcome back to Wepop Gardening. We are back over here in the Mars Hydro 4x4 underneath that FC 6500 banging light. Got that 6-inch inline back there controlling everything, and we got the Pink Runtz over here, fam. So I can't even lie, y'all. I ain't posted in a minute because we've been having issues over here. Been having some power outages for quite some time. Generator can only run 110. I ran with the other one because it was bigger, much further along. Obviously, I just had to make the call, so I figured these little girls, the little ones, I was close enough that if I completely lost them, I could just kind of mend it and start over, you know what I mean? So this is the Pink Runtz that I started. As y'all can see, she went a long time with no light and started fading out on me. Been getting her some water. She's rough, man. Pretty much everything browned out. I've topped the mess out of her, just trying to clean her up. I still got to pull some, like this one ain't no good right here. So I'm gonna just snip that off there. We'll just get that out of there. But we got power now. We are back on and cracking over here. And hopefully it won't take too long to get this girl back in order. But just wanted to come up in here, let you guys see what's going on with this. I am gonna feed her some green rush here and see if we can get some vibrance back to her. I've been kind of like lightly watering just to kind of maintain a little bit, because I knew it wasn't getting any heat or control from not having light and such. And I know y'all are gonna ask, I didn't take her outside because I don't want bugs. So she's kind of just been chilling in the room with the windows open during the day and maintaining, like I said, but definitely wasn't enough. But I figured this would make for a good show out, and we'll see if we can recoup her back and get her back into shape here. I don't think it'll take too long, to be honest with y'all. So I'm gonna get some green. Yeah, see, leaves are falling off like she hurting. She is definitely hurting, y'all. But we're gonna see what we can do, y'all. So we got the 2-gallon sprayer over here from DeWalt, which you can again get these from Home Depot or order them off Amazon. All y'all seem to like that, so I'm gonna add some Cal Mag today. I'm doing 2 shots. Should be plenty. Give it a little perk. And then obviously we got the leafy green over here, which we're gonna go ahead and do 2.5 tablespoons here. Get them a good solid dose. And I know that the soil been sitting for a minute, kind of stagnant, right? Because like I said, I was barely giving them any water. I didn't want to like overdo it because I didn't have air circulation. So what I'm gonna do is add some seaweed extract to this too, fam. Just that way sugars can start getting right in the soil. It'll help overall just out the gate here. Forgive me, I gotta open a new one. That was my fault. So super excited, guys. We got the outdoor grow. I'm gonna be starting to drop those soon for you guys, so stay tuned. Got some cool strains out there. I'm looking forward to seeing how they do. Probably be dropping that video later this week and or next week. Not sure how these are all gonna fall out. So anyway, I'm gonna get this shook up and we'll get them watered. I'm not gonna bore the mess out of you guys with it. Like I said, I'm just gonna get these girls fed. Thought this would be a pretty cool little grow series here, since we are starting kind of late on it and had some issues. It would be cool to see how they recover, especially this Pink Runtz. So I asked you guys to vote on these two. Let me know what kind of training y'all want to see. I got a lot of it's your garden, do what you want. So I'm gonna do what I want, but hopefully you guys enjoy it. I only ask for y'all's involvement because I don't want y'all to get bored with the same BS, you know what I mean? But I think it'll be cool. We might, I'm really thinking about sea of green in this. If we can salvage her, get her set up here, transplant her into another pot, and get some room, you know what I mean, for the root system to expand out, get the feeds back on par, and get her picked back up, because they've been having some problems. But this is the cool part about growing. It's all about experimenting, seeing what they can take, what you can learn, what you can do, what you can handle, and just getting them rolling. Alright y'all, I got them watered down here. I'm gonna keep this up and rolling. As you can see, we're starting to dribble on out down here. So I ain't gonna be adding too much more here, but I'm gonna hit this Mimosa Evo a little bit and get this thing rolling. Check back here in a couple days. I'll let y'all see how they're looking. We are back over here giving you guys the update on the Pink Runtz, y'all. I know it's been a minute. I'm truly sorry. We've had some crazy crap going on. Life, man, just keeps beating everybody down. But anyway, things are looking good over here, much better. So we're finally getting some growth out of this girl. We ended up cleaning it up, getting the light back rolling. Y'all can see she's been through some shit. But she's looking a whole lot better, y'all. So I'm gonna end up topping this here, taking this off, but I was trying to let it get back to a healthy state so we could get to that point. As y'all can see, the leaves are starting to come back. We're getting fresh growth down here. Not too much really to show y'all. I just wanted to give the update on this, and I know it's been a minute. Feeling terrible, but it won't be long now. She's getting back into veg mode. We got the electricity part figured out and situated here for us, and all is well. So we are back on track, fam. Today is water day. I'm just gonna give it straight water because I already fed it last run and I don't want to overdo it. You can see the green in this is darkening up, so she started to recoup and get some growth going, which is awesome. Thought we lost her, so hang in there, y'all. We're gonna definitely get into this with the Runtz here. It's just got a little delayed and thrown out. I am eventually gonna get that auto watering system set up on this girl and get to it. Yes, I am missing the other plant that I had in here. We were trying to milk it back. That Mimosa Evo from Barney's Farms. She didn't make it, y'all. She didn't make it. So I lost 2 this last couple weeks, which has been killing me. But it'll be all right. It'll be all right. We'll get into it. We got the outdoor run going, and this girl right here is starting to come back and breathe some life into her. So the soil's actually a little moister than I expected. So y'all can see that. It's nice and rich, looking good. So I guess we'll leave this beef for today. Check back in here in a day or 2. Get some more feed going to it. Yeah, y'all, look. So I got a couple leftover leaves down here, but I see a yellow in there. We got a little brown here on this one, but they are recouping. So definitely she's coming back, y'all. She's coming back. I really thought we weren't gonna get it. So I am gonna leave these bigger leaves for now because they're holding newts and making them available, plus, you know, solar panels for growth, and getting the photosynthesis done. And these littler ones are gonna obviously take a minute to catch up. So ultimately, with the progression, fam, I'm stoked. I was really thinking we were gonna lose them both. A little disappointed in the loss on the other one, but I think it'll be all right. This is gonna build character for this girl. She's gonna be solid and strong by the time it's all said and done. You know what I mean? These are already starting to thicken up, get a little harder there, and I know that the more stress you can put on a plant and make it, the better she's gonna do in the end. You know what I mean? So it's kind of crazy, but this mane that was here is pretty much gone. I noticed there's like no growth here. There's no growth on the top. I got a couple leaves, which is why I said I feel like I'm gonna eventually just snip this girl off right here. But I wanted to make sure I had plenty of time to get the root zone back to good and healthy, and obviously have enough greenage up top and healthier branches to replace that. But I think if we cut this here, we can keep the canopy even pretty much through the whole run here, which will be nice, and it'll strengthen it up too, you know what I mean? Shift that hormone from the main branch there, cut it, and then let the hormones shift out to these other branches, because this lower one even is pretty much to the height of these other 2, well, these other 3, because there's 3 full branches besides that one. But anyway, drop me a comment, let me know what y'all think. Take that off, leave it. I mean, to me it makes no sense to keep it there. We snip that and then put some cinnamon on there. Should get right back to healthy, and then we can get a net set up in here. Man, maybe I really want to scrog this plant out, so maybe now would be a good time to start that and see what we can do with it. Fill the whole thing up finally, you know what I mean? One end to the next. But anyway, stay tuned, fam. We will definitely be doing updates on this, and happy with the progression. Stay focused, stay on top of things, and let it ride. We'll give her a T on the next run with some green rush and let her blow up. Appreciate y'all, and as always, till next time, fam. Peace.